हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे ए बी सी डी ई एफ। किड्स लेट्स लर्न कलर्स नेम ब्राउन ब्लू येलो पिंक violet sky blue green red black orange light pink and light green. A A B B A for apple. A for aunt. B B for balloon. C C for cat. D D for dog. C C for car. D D for dolphin. E E for eagle. F F for fish. E E for elephant. F F for fox. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.